Aviation, one of the most data-driven industries in the world. It's an industry that relies on security, not only to protect information, but entire operations.
This industry is highly digital. You need to be accessing applications seamlessly, but most importantly, securely.
For decades, Wipro has been securing some of the world's largest airlines and airports.
When you look at aviation, external threat exposure is very, very high.
And that's down to the amount of people required to make an airline work, from flight crews to baggage handlers, third-party contractors to maintenance teams. All these people need access to hundreds of applications every day.
How do you manage security across different personas with a complete visibility?
That's the question Wipro and Cisco came together to answer for one of the world's largest airlines based in the Middle East.
When we started talking to the customer, because of diverse tools which are not speaking with each other, Cisco's Secure Access came into play to secure this entire process.
With Cisco Secure Access, one of the world's major airlines is now benefiting from a cloud-delivered security service edge solution, giving users an exceptional experience from any device grounded in zero trust.
It provides an unified view of the security from edge to cloud. To their employees, it's a single password, secure access.
And in combination with Chrome Enterprise Premium, any device, any user, anywhere is set up in minutes with seamless and secure access to applications and critical data.
Chrome Enterprise Premium takes care of this unmanaged devices. When they access an application, somebody can't copy your keystrokes. You can't copy your screen. They are accessing securely. Both the solutions put together, Chrome Enterprise and the Secure Access, gives a peace of mind that any user from anywhere accessing my application is secure.
With Cisco Secure Access and Chrome Enterprise Premium, this airline now has more transparent security controls, authentication protocols, and one of the most seamless and secure data environments in the industry. A world-class airline in a world changing fast. Now more secure than ever with Cisco, Wipro, and Chrome Enterprise.